Check this out. I spent $20 on those headlight restoring things. And that was actually the good light. It's starting to get a little bit of haze on it too. I was always really skeptical about those things, but it was at Walmart for $15, so I was like, well, I don't have anything to lose when new ones cost of those headlights are $80 each. So look at that. I'm going to do the other one now. Well, here are both of those lights finished. And, you know, for $15, they sure did brighten up very well. I was a little worried about putting that sandpaper if it would scuff it up, but they're not. They're just as smooth as can be. So anybody who's had some dingy headlights, I'll tell you right now, spend the $15 to get a decent kit, and they take about 20 minutes per headlight to do. So it's well worth it.